What's up, you guys? It's your boy Johnny Cash. I am back with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I know I haven't been making any content for you guys. I haven't been uploading on my Instagram at all or on YouTube. I've just been super busy here at my shop. I'm actually here at my shop right now as we speak. We'll go ahead and show you guys some of the projects we've been working on. I've been working on street concepts. I've been working on my truck. I've been working on regular customers. I've been working on my boy Jerry's. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we've been doing so you guys can see a little bit of progress of what we've been working on. So right here, the first truck that we got right here is your boy from Street Concept. He is the owner, Primo. You guys are wondering why my door is on his hood, or where his hood's supposed to be, is because it was raining and pouring like crazy a few days ago here in Vegas, and we don't have a hood for this truck. I'm waiting for the hood for this truck. I'm also waiting for the wing for this truck, and also we've been waiting for the tailgate piece. The tailgate, what I mean by that is the SS little cladding that goes on the tailgate. But so far what we've been doing to this truck is this whole truck has sheet metal all the way around. It was nasty, guys. It was rusted like these tubs, and the doghouse, it was 10 times worse. As you guys can see, it was causing rust, surface rust on the bed, on the inside as well, on the ground. So we went ahead and ripped that all off, all of it. So this part, the floor has sheet metal, the sides, this has sheet metal. The only thing that didn't have sheet metal was the tailgate. We went ahead and took all that off to avoid future rusting, like how it is right here. Check that out. All that. Anyways, up next we got to do the body work on the bed. We got to do it on the claddings. We're still waiting for the hood, the wing, the little piece that goes in the back. He's also missing the tail lights. He's missing the headlights. He went ahead and dropped off the front bumper only and the front bumper cover. And then right here we have my truck, the Sierra, the SS clone. We did the complete body work all the way around. This is already blocked. Door jambs got primed already, sanded, the roof as well. We found another dent right here while we were blocking it, so we fixed that. Claddings are all nice and straight. The back of the cab is also bodywork and primered as well. This truck is almost done. This is my personal truck. My build is a Sierra with an SS kit on it. Extended cab. Here's one of the doors like I mentioned before. We went ahead and just threw this on there simply because it was pouring rain and we didn't want any damage to happen to the motor internally or on the exterior, like oxidation on the wire harness or anything. Right here we have, I believe the customer said it was like a Z71. It's a 4x4 truck, kind of like Jerry's, the one that we're working on right now. The body work is all done. We just got to go ahead and prep it, primer it, mask it, and shoot it. Exterior, he's going black as well. This video is not about any of those. We are currently going to be primering Jerry's truck. We're going to be primering the bed, the tailgate, the front bumper, the grill, and the side mirror caps. Let me go ahead and show you guys so you guys can see. So first things first, we have the front bumper right here. This is off of a Coyote, a Ford, but since we're primering all of this stuff tonight, we'll go ahead and primer this as well to kill two birds with one stone. This, we still gotta do some chemical work. Then we're gonna be able to properly chrome delete it. There's more steps than just this, so don't worry about that. Right here we have the grill. As you guys see, we take the grills apart all the way. So this is the grill. This is from the Coyote, the Ford. This is the top piece that goes on the HD hood on Jerry's truck. Right here we have his bed. Bodywork is all done and complete. As you guys can see, complete bodywork is done. Both sides. I'm not going to cover the inside. Reason why is it's because whoever sprayed this bed liner, they did a horrible job. They didn't prep it, which means it's already flaking. As you guys can see right here, look at that. Didn't even prep it or nothing, so it's flaking off. So we have to do this the right way if Jerry wants us to do it, or I could just go to his house and do it over there. The wing, Street Concept went ahead and molded, installed it, did all that himself. So this we did not do. Street Concept did that. The wing is from Street Concept, by the way. The tailgate, we did the body work around the corners. This wing is from Street Concept. He went ahead and installed it. More body work right here. On this side as well, bodywork. Corners got done by Street Concept Molded. The top, bodywork by us. This right here. And then we got the, what is it, the bumper cap. All right here, it is done. Still got to do the chrome process. It's just sanded right now. Then outside, we have more parts for the Ford, the Coyote, Jerry's mirror caps. It's all texture delete. We just gotta go ahead and prime them, both of them as well. So let's go ahead and do this. Right here we have our high build primer. It's a 4:1 ratio. Right now we have it at 4 right here. Pour a little bit, so it should be like right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the activator all the way to right there. Go ahead and mix this up for you guys, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. I'm gonna be spraying with my water today. So you want to go ahead and push, twist, and lock. Connect your air hose and spray it. Let the primer go all the way up. So now that I have it here, I'm gonna go and spray. So the primer goes all the way up. Just like that. We have the primer all set up and everything. Just wanted to go ahead and dial in your feed, your air, and your fan. Since this is a high build, I'm gonna go ahead and open the needle all the way back. We have the gun all set up now, you guys. So first you want to hit the body work first, the body filler areas. For example, these two right here, you want to go ahead and hit them first. That's one. This one, we're gonna start from right here because this is where it starts and this is where it ends. We want to fill in the scratches and also the body filler area. Just like that. Then let's do this one real quick. So you guys, this is an update right here. I went ahead and shot the high build primer on the areas that had body work. For example, body filler, scratches. So this is how the driver's side came out. The tailgate right here. Remember, it had body filler right here and in this area as well. The wing got shot again. This wing as well. This area right here had body filler, so went ahead and primer that. This area right here, went ahead and shot the special primer on this one, on the chrome delete. Now I'm going ahead and shoot a different one on top, as well as the Coyote grill, the front bumper, the side view mirrors, and the other part from the Coyote grill. The chrome bumper pad, this is a different primer. As you guys can see the color difference. This is a little bit darker. I don't know if the camera could catch that. And then this one's a little bit lighter. Here's the rest of the pieces right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up right here, as you guys can see, se lo chupó, the body filler. That means it needs more primer in that area. This is almost done. Now I went ahead and mixed up some more high build primer. Like I said, 4:1. Every time I mix new batches, I use new strainers and use stir slicks. These are free at the paint store, depending on what paint store you guys go to. These are free at my local paint store, the one I go to. So I'm gotta go get a new strainer and put it on the cup. And I'm gonna go ahead and shoot all of this front to back. And the wait time, the flash time on this is 5 to 10 minutes between coats. That's the flash time on this primer. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot primer on the jam right here, the whole face right here, the whole bed, all the pieces, as you guys can see, bumper pad, grill, front bumper, side mirror caps, all of that stuff is gonna get shot again. This side, like I mentioned before, and also on the passenger side right here. Go ahead and shoot that. Once it's shot, I'm gonna give you guys an update. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. Check this that, guys, I finally finished applying the high build primer on all the areas, including the chrome ones. I sprayed some special primer. I can't tell you guys because then you guys will go ahead and me quitan el jale a la verga. Just kidding. Went ahead and shot the special primer. On top of that, spray the high build primer. So all these panels, all these parts got high build primer. I'm just letting it dry right now. Flash time is 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some guide coat. Most of you guys probably know what that is. And for those that you don't know, guide coat is either a powder substance or a spray substance. I shouldn't even use substance because you guys probably drink it. It's a chemical that you shoot on top of high build primer. So all these areas right here is gonna get guide coat. I am gonna be using the spray, not the powder. So what that does is it helps you correct your body work, and also it'll help you identify any imperfections that the naked eye can't see. For example, I could see these right here. There's some pinholes right here that you could see. So for example, there is like a hairline crack right here. I don't know if that's because of the molding process that Street Concept did, or there's something that happened under there. So this, when I shoot the guide coat, obviously I can see it, but if it was thinner than that, it'll help me identify it. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot the guide coat on all these parts and then let this cure for 24 hours. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and shoot the cab and the hood, all the rest of basically the cab and the door jambs. And yeah, let's go ahead and shoot some guide coat. So just go ahead and shoot it like that. I call it the Oreo effect. If most of you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys be seeing on my Instagram stories when I post it. I name it and call it the Oreo effect. So we want to go ahead and give it a light mist, make it look like an Oreo, all the way front to back. Mist it. So I went ahead and shot guide coat on all the parts, you guys. I'm gonna give you the last and final update on this video and on this truck. Hopefully you guys learn something off of this. I've been painting since I was in high school. All my family are painters, and eventually I ended up being a painter and a business owner like the rest of my family. Gracias a Dios. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead. Who is calling me? Someone's calling me. Chulo. LED plug. Chulo's calling me. Yo! Let me call you back. I'm vlogging right now, Chulo. Say hi to the camera, Johan. All right, let me call you back. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Here's the tailgate right here. This is the primer and the guide coat. That's why it kind of looks like that, the Oreo effect. That's why I named it that, the Oreo effect. Here's the passenger side as well. Here's the front pieces of the grill. This piece goes to the Coyote. This piece goes to the Coyote. This is Jerry's front bumper. His mirror cabs, that pieces right there go to the Coyote as well. This is the HD bumper pad for Jerry's truck. Y aquí quedó the driver's side of the bed panel. So now you just go ahead and let this sit for 24 hours. Make sure it cures from the bottom up. In other words, from the inside all the way out, because it does have a lot of layers of high build primer. And then once it's fully dried and cured, you go ahead and get your blocks and start blocking it. You could either do it wet or dry. I like doing it wet. So yeah, and then it'll mark down all these little pinholes right here. I don't know why the camera isn't focusing. I'm still waiting on my other lens to arrive. But there is some pinholes right here. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Right there. These are pinholes, and it also has this little crack or something. But anyways, this is how everything turned out. I'm happy how everything turned out. Like I mentioned before, go ahead and let this sit. Tomorrow I'm gonna just come in and take all these parts and let it sit out in the sun. This does dry with the heat or the UV light. And I don't have a UV light at my shop, so I don't. So I'm gonna just use Mother Nature's UV light. And look at these. These are the mirror caps right here. Texture delete. What I mean by texture is it doesn't have no more granitos no more, and it has the high build primer and the guide coat. And these parts are for another customer, the Coyote. But yeah, this is how everything turned out, you guys. Comment down below what you guys think. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. You guys want to see the painting process? You guys want to see me do the cab? Or you guys want me to show you in more detail or in depth of the painting process that it takes to do, for example, chrome deletes? Or you guys want to see me pull out dents or mold wings or do anything? I know how to do it all. Me and my workers here at the Painters, we do it basically all. But anyways, you guys, that's gonna wrap up this video right here. Hopefully, like I said before in the video, you guys took some knowledge out of this. You guys probably, I don't know, learned something off of this video. And make sure to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Comment down below what you guys think. Like I mentioned before, if you guys want to see any more stuff that we do here at the Painters, this is a complete auto body shop. We do insurance jobs, we do tubs, bed liners, amber delete, anything, we do it here. Like I've done so many other YouTubers trucks. For example, I did Sideways Eloy's, I did Isma's, I did Jerry's. I was going to do my boy Sideways King's Kelvin's before he had passed away. Rest in peace to my boy. But anyways, yeah, this is basically it. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.